Good morning, Mary Grace. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good day, Ma'am. I'm Maris Cabison, 36 years old, married with two kids, ages 9 years old and 11 years old. I live with my husband. My husband's work is a construction worker. I am a high school graduate. I have three brothers and one sister. I am second in the sibling. My work experience was in Singapore for 2 years to a couple with two adults. My duties are car washing, cooking, taking care of the dog, ironing, and my second working experience was in Malaysia to a couple with two kids ages 9 years old and 18 years old for 2 years. I do all house chores in Malaysia, and my last working experience was in Hong Kong to a couple with kids ages 4 and 7 years old for 2 years. I do all also the house chores.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law, Mom.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, Mom. My husband and my mother-in-law, Mom.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 in the evening and wake up as early in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, Mom.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, Mom.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
I am a responsible mother, Mom, and I will make sure that I can feed my kids and give them the best education.
Are you a hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, Mom. Since birth and if I'm not working abroad.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
I am a disciplinarian mother, Mom. In fact, I teach my kids how to be independent and teach them how to do house chores.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be very patient to the kids, Mom, and I will talk to them with a slow and polite manner that they need to behave. And also, I will remind myself that taking care of the kids is part of my duties.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I will manage my working time, Mom, so I can play with the kids. And if my employer allow the kids to watch TV show, I will let them watch with my guidance so I can work smoothly.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like or don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My previous employer was very strict, Mom. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. And they let me do my own as long as I finish all the work.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, Mom.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, Mom.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom.
Please sing it.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to pitch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his phone, and Jill came tumbling after.
Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
It's all natural, Mom.
Thank you, Mary Grace. That's all.
Thank you, Mom. Have a good day.